I think anybody in healthcare should be at the ISCN because it's on clinical neuroscience, but we're not focused strictly on, neurons in a petri dish. We're talking about real-world applications. Whatever profession you're in, I really can't imagine you not being here because the variety of speakers and the variety of topics is incredibly intellectually stimulating. So you should be here because you're going to love it.
The multifactorial, multidisciplinary topics that are being talked about today is really fascinating because you realize that the brain is connected to everything. And to be able to learn from other people with such vast skill sets and different skill sets from knowledge than that of mine is really, really valuable.
So I always learn stuff, I always learn a lot, and get a lot out of the conference and love participating and networking and meeting and talking to the people and the vendors, lots of new technologies. So it's almost impossible for me to come here and not take something away. We're all kind of supporting each other with similar needs and desires, and that camaraderie helps us all get better and be better, and to a certain extent feel better. It's a kind of a feel-good conference.
So the caliber of the talks are amazing, and it shows through the enthusiasm of all the participants. I think everyone is participating very actively. People are very keenly interested in the talks, and it really shows that you have a packed audience who is all ears for all the presentations, and I really enjoy that.
I'll be coming back every year that I possibly can, and not only would I recommend other people to come, but I'd actually recommend not just functional neurologists to come here, because this kind of a conference is for a variety of different people. If you're a physical therapist, if you're an occupational therapist, a neurologist, any kind of medical doctor, I'm a kinesiologist with a motor learning background, all of those different areas, a conference like this, you can get a lot of benefit from.
So I recommend people to come in the future because this thing is wonderful. And I've been to other conferences in the chiropractic neurology world, and I think this is the creme de la creme. And I'm just happy to be a part of it, and go ISCN. Thank you for everything.